during this COVID period. This time I have taken a reno project at home. So what we are trying to do is the bathroom renovation. So let's run down the project on hand. This is the main door that enters into the bedroom, the bathroom door. We will move this door all the way to the left corner and we will seal this like a wall. The toilet, we will move it to this side and we will completely remove the bathtub because we don't use it, it's a waste of space. And we will create the new door here and we will seal this door completely. And you see the bathroom is also dated, the shower is dated. We will rip everything up and put a new tiles and new fixtures here. The sink is small, the vanity is small, so we will try to create a bigger one because we have a lot of room after we remove the toilet, so we'll do that. And the tiles are 1x1s, so we will rip this up and we will put 2x2s. Let's see how it goes. And I'm not a contractor nor a builder, but let's see. Where there is a will, there is a way. We'll start ripping it up. So I have removed the tiles by cutting the drywall and removing all the tiles by hammering it. So it's pretty much a good demolition. Bye now. As you can see, the door is removed and the new door is installed. Today is the demolition of the bathroom. So we will be removing all the tiles, sides, everything. Now all the walls are demolished, and if you see the width of the entrance door, I have increased it to fit the glass door, and I have also decided to remove the shower base because it was very old, it was getting ripped. So I thought, okay, why not remove the whole thing and build it all over again. As you can see, I have increased the width by cutting in 2-3 posts, making sure that they are not the load bearing posts. I have checked with the engineer, and here if you can see, now the bathroom, everything is demolished. The only thing I put is the new ceiling, and now we are going to build it from scratch. And as you can see, I didn't want it to cut the corners. I removed the dent shield which was there, so I wanted to put all new, and I wanted to make sure if there is anything damaged in the shower pan, and I do see there is a damage there. We are going to build the new shower base and we will see how it goes. I have consulted a couple of experts, and they are advising me to remove the molded patch. Guys, here is the situation. I have removed the rotten part, as you can see, and I have also changed the plumbing. I removed the old plumbing, created the new plumbing, because I intend to put a cement bore on it, and so that this problem do not happen again. See? Perfect. Here's the situation. What I did was the wooden base before we cut the damaged part, the rotten part. I put the new wood, and then over the wood I have put this cement board so that it gives an extra layer of protection, a very high density cement board. And what I'm going to do is to put this shower pan liner over this, and this is a very thick material, so, and it is very hard, very tough when you originally bring it from the package. And to make it workable, I kept it under the heater for around 45 minutes, and I'm going to line it down. And before you start laying down the shower pan liner, you have to make sure on every corner is smooth, there are no nails anywhere, otherwise it might damage, especially the base. So my base is very good now, but you have to make sure that there are no nails, and you are not going to nail it, screw it in the base. We have to put it like 6 inches. It has to rise 6 inches in all corners. So let's do that. Alright guys, now the pan liner is installed. As you can see, the drain flange is installed. Everything is as per the building and the plumbing code. Everything needs to be in order, and it should look like a perfect pan. And here we are going to build the shower base. Okay, so I made the shower bed made of sand mix. So this is perfectly made. All the flow is right to the center. We have seen, and the sides are perfect center. And if you see, the water flow is to the drain. So we are perfect. Let's see what happens after it dries up. Then we will go to the next level. Okay guys. As you can see, the shower base is done. It's all dried up. There is no problem on that. And then I have fixed the backer boards on all sides. If you can see, perfect holes. And we will do the drywall stuff tomorrow. Important thing is, I'm putting the drywall, and then I have pre-marked the studs. Wherever the studs are, I have pre-marked. I have put the line. See, these are the studs. So instead of finding it with a stud finder, it's always better to mark, and where you're going to put the nails, you just cross it. It becomes much easier. Just we will be doing the waterproofing with the waterproofing band. This is the waterproofing band, and we are going to put the thin set on all the corners, and then we will put the waterproofing band all along the joints wherever the openings are. We will put this band, we will put the thin set first, and then we will put the band, and then we will put the thin set again, and we will fill all the gaps. I preferred the plastic knife instead of the metal one because of its flexibility. I'm able to apply it more easily and go 2 inches on this side. This is the joint, so we will put 2 inches like this. As you can see, we have done the waterproofing. We have sealed all the cracks, all the joints, and within the niche all the way till the ceiling. applied the thin set to the shower base too because the sand mix was coming off. So in order to do the next step, I need a very clean and hard surface. And the next step is to install something called Aqua Defense. It is this box. In Home Depot it comes with the name of Red Guard, and this is an Aqua Defense system. We will apply it same as we apply the paint, and we will apply it all over this bathroom, the shower place, and it will form like a rubbery membrane. As you can see, I have opened the tub and I mixed it up. This is, as you can see, this is very thick, and once we apply it over the walls and the floor, it dries up, creating a kind of membrane, a very thick membrane, and it will protect all the water, moisture and the vapors going inside the walls. Although we have sealed it, but this is another layer of protection. Okay guys, so this is a very thick paint. As I told you, this is a plastic rubbery consistency, and I'm doing it in the corners first. Alright, so this was one heck of a waterproofing job. Took a couple of hours, and this is perfectly waterproof, double coated all the way, and I made sure the niches are waterproof all the way till the ceiling. So this is pretty much good, like a sauna now, and it's ready to go for tiling. I have installed the shower base tiles, and I'm ready to install the shower wall tiles. So what I have done is I have installed the wood on a perfect water level to get a kind of sieve for the grout. And once I put the first layer up, and I'm going to remove this wood, fill the holes with the thin set and the waterproofing membrane, and then I will continue down. So this way I will have a perfect grout lines matching all the three walls. This is one of the most recommended method of tiling. To share a small trick I did here. I had to cut a hole for the sprout, the bathroom sprout. So what I did is I put 4 holes, and then I took the small drill bit and started drilling the holes very close by, one after the other, all the way through. And then after drilling the small hole, I took the little larger bit and I started drilling the holes again into the same holes, the smaller holes. So it simply popped out, and this was a good trick. I don't know if it is correct or not, but it works. Here is the bathroom floor. I have put the backer board, the cement backer board. I cut the air duct, the flange, and I screwed it with the backer screws. So everything is ready for the tiling. We will start the tiling right now. The flooring is done, tiles are laid pretty decently, all the grout lines are distinct and clear, spacing is perfect. And I wanted to show you here. See, I'm using the spacers with the tile clip. So this is a tile leveling clip, that's what they are calling. So you can simply slide in the pin and push it all the way through as long as it can go, and it will level all the tiles to perfection. As you can see, the whole shower is ready. The shower head is installed. The handle is installed. The LEDs perfectly snug fit on the ceiling. And everything is nice and cool. And if you see, the flooring is done, tiling is done, grouting is done, everything is perfect. The toilet is installed. As you can see, I have also installed the hand shower. Now the time is to install the vanity.